Have you ever wondered how to smoke juicy pulled pork right in your backyard? Well, today we're diving into smoking a perfectly tender pork butt with no fancy equipment required. I'll walk you through the 7 simple steps to achieve that signature smoky flavor, melt in your mouth texture, and tender, juicy meat that make pulled pork the ultimate barbecue dish. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or a first timer, we're about to make this smoked pulled pork recipe an easy win. And I'm going to answer all your questions along the way. So let's see if we can pull this off together. You may be asking yourself, what's the deal with low and slow cooking? Well, here's the thing. It's all about letting that fat melt away slowly and the collagen break down into rich, flavorful gelatin. This is what makes your pork juicy, tender, and packed with that deep, smoky flavor. Think of it like a slow-cooked hug for your meat. It takes time, but the wait is totally worth it when you sink your teeth into that perfect melt-in-your-mouth pulled pork. Okay, let's talk about what's the best cut of meat for smoking pulled pork. My preferred cut is bone-in pork butt, because this cut is a perfect balance of fat and connective tissue, and it's super forgiving when it comes to cooking. The bone helps keep the meat juicy, which is exactly what we want when we're smoking it low and slow. Plus, all that fat renders down and gives the pork that rich, flavorful taste we're aiming for. It's really the key to a great pulled pork. Now, let's talk about what is the best way to season a pork butt before smoking. First up, we're going to score the fat cup. It might seem like a small step, but it's essential for getting that fat to render properly and helping us achieve that perfect crispy bark. Scoring also lets the seasoning penetrate into the meat, beyond that fat cap, which is key to flavoring the pork. When it comes to seasoning, I like to keep it simple with just salt and pepper. Sometimes that's all you need for a great flavor, but if I'm in the mood to get creative, I'll add one of my favorite barbecue rubs. It really depends on how I'm feeling that day. Do I want something spicy, savory, or maybe a little bit sweet? The beauty of pulled pork is that you can really experiment with your favorite rubs and spices. So don't be afraid to get creative with how you season a pork butt before smoking it. Tired of store-bought rubs? Then download my free guide, 5 barbecue rubs you can make at home. These recipes will take your pulled pork and other smoked meats to the next level. Just click the link below. I'm sure you're asking yourself, what temperature should I smoke the pulled pork at? Well, let's dive into that. Today, I'm using my pit barrel cooker, a charcoal smoker. But honestly, you can use whatever smoker you got on hand. Electric, pellet, or propane smokers all work just fine. I've also added some apple wood chunks for that nice fruity smoke flavor. Now here's the important part, getting the temperature just right. You want to aim for about 250 degrees to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot for low and slow cooking. And here's something I've learned through a trial and error. Avoid that thick white smoke. Sure, it looks cool, but it's not what you want. Instead, aim for a clean light gray or bluish smoke. That's the kind of smoke that infuses the pork with that perfect smoky flavor without making it bitter. So let the smoker do its thing, trust the process, and we'll get that juicy pulled pork in no time. Let's get this pork on the smoker. I'll let it smoke low and slow for a few hours, checking on it every 30 to 45 minutes. I like to spray with apple juice to keep that pork nice and moist and to keep it from drying out. In my experience, it makes a huge difference. The goal here is to get that internal temperature up to 165 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit before we wrap it. Just to be clear, no need to rush. We're in it for the long haul, so let's take our time. You might be asking yourself, do I really need to wrap the pork when smoking it? For this recipe, yes. Wrapping is definitely the way to go. Trust me, heavy-duty aluminum foil is your best friend here. Wrapping the pork helps lock in all the moisture, keeps it cooking perfectly. I know some people swear by not wrapping and think it's taking the easy way out, but honestly, it's a total game changer. No need to hover over the smoker all day, and you still get that juicy, tender pulled pork you're after. All right, now for the big question. What's the ideal internal temperature for smoked pulled pork? We're shooting for around 203 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, the pork should be so tender that poking it feels like it's pressing into butter. But here's the key, don't rush it. Once it hits that sweet spot, let it rest for at least an hour. I know the waiting game can be tough, but this is how you keep the pulled pork from drying out. All those flavors and juices have time to melt together. That rest is what makes the difference between good and great pulled pork. And when you finally dig in, you'll be glad you waited. So how do you know when your pulled pork is done? It's pretty easy to tell. When it's ready, the bone should slide out with little effort, and the meat will just fall apart. You'll know it's perfect when you can shred it with barely any pressure. But here's a little tip. Don't go crazy shredding it into tiny bits. Leave the chunks a little bit bigger so that they stay juicy and flavorful. And I like to sprinkle a little bit more rub right on top while it rests for that extra pop of flavor. Trust me, it makes a big difference. And hey, don't feel bad about sneaking a bite here. You deserve it. Alright, let's get to the fun part. How to actually enjoy this pulled pork. If you're craving something classic, go for sliders. Think soft, buttery rolls, a drizzle of tangy Carolina mustard sauce, and a scoop of creamy slaw. It's a combo that never disappoints. But if you're in the mood for a twist, try it in tacos. Trust me, tender smoky pulled pork wrapped in a warm tortilla is seriously just as good, if not better than any sandwich you'll ever have. And hey, why not go wild and make some tachos? They're basically fully loaded tater tots, and who doesn't love that? If you're not sure how to make them, don't worry. I've got a video at the end showing you how to whip them up step by step. Either way, you really can't go wrong. So that's how you can smoke juicy pulled pork that's tender, flavorful, and totally worth the wait. But here's the thing I didn't tell you at the start of the video. Even the best pulled pork isn't enough to carry your next barbecue. You've got to pair it with some ribs that are fall off the bone amazing. And you don't need any fancy equipment to do it. Click on this video right here and I'll show you exactly how to grill ribs, step by step. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And hey, if you're loving this barbecue content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one.